look really familiar to you if you're remembering using the pen tool in Photoshop. It's pretty similar, so you have a little bit of a head start. Oops, I forgot that. Do Command 0. We're just gonna get up here to this number 1 area, and you're just gonna go around and remember, just click on the points to make the straight lines. Make sure before you start that you empty out the middle like I did not. And we're not going to finish the shapes, so you can hit Command Shift A or Control Shift A, and that ends your shape. I'm going to go over here and empty out my path here, my fill. All right, and then remember, hit Shift and click to make straight lines. Shift and click. Command Shift A. Curves. Click and drag. And they have these nice little dots for you to help you know where exactly to stop. Command Shift A. And then just remember on the practice, on each one, wherever you start, and drag up the direction that you're going to want to curve. Here's what I mean. Drag up here, and then I want my curve to go that way, right? Command Shift A, but if I'm going to start from here, I want to drag up this way and then across, like so. All right. So practice those, and then remember our short lines. This is just the same thing. Oops, I meant to click and drag. Click and drag. Click and drag. A little bit of an angle on where the dot is to create this kind of pattern. All right, so practice that. And then, oops, this one here. So do you remember where we would get rid of one of the arms on here? So we're going to go click and drag up to that dot, and then go over to the number 2, click and drag. And then before you let go, you're going to hit Option or Alt, and you're going to drag that handle up here because you want to make kind of a point. And so then we're going to click and drag and hit Option or Alt and pull that handle up. Click, drag, Option or Alt, and pull the handle up. Okay, so you're just going to practice doing that. And then this last one, I had forgotten how to do this part. I had to practice this a few times. So for this, you're going to click and drag for the curve, and then get this curve correct, and then you're going to let go, and then you're going to come in here and notice when I hover over that anchor point, I get that the change anchor sign. And so I'm going to actually change that to a straight anchor, and then I'm going to click in 3, and then I want that. Oops. It takes a steady hand. And then I'm going to change that one actually. I'm going to click over that, change the anchor, and drag down because I want handles for this next one. So I'm going to click and drag, get the handle right, and then go back in here. And now this one, need to switch this one to a straight anchor and come over here, click on the 5, and then hover over that, and you're going to make that a curved line and drag up. Remember, our curve is going that way, so about the same amount of space, and then to the 6 and curve that one. All right, hopefully this is reminding you of what all this looks like. And so practice those things, and then there will be a tracing assignment that we'll do in relation to this.